Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 20 to 26, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. So kung gusto nyong mag-book, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Yan, paki-check nyo na lang. So, let's see, Gemini, what's up with you this week? Overall energy, the High Priestess. Maaring ngayon, medyo tahimik lang kayo, no? You are just doing the things that you need to do. Parang you are working in silence. Ayan. And yung iba, you are mastering something, no? Mas lalo nyong pinapaigting ang inyong kaalaman, dinadagdagan nyo ang inyong knowledge. Some of you are also into spirituality, esoteric, no? Maaring you are into tarot, you are also highly intuitive, gifted ka, no? Psychic. You're a psychic. Let's see your challenge. Anong challenge ng mga Gemini? You have the Chariot. So, maaaring isa sa challenge nyo this week ay yung direction na gusto nyong tahakin. Maaring nasa point kayo of making a decision pero you're not sure. Okay? Hindi ka sigurado. Kasi siguro yung iba sa inyo, nag-aaral pa, nire-research nyo pa, inaalam nyo pa dahil ayaw nyong magkamali sa decision making ninyo. Let's see your opportunity. Ace of Wands. So opportunity of a new beginning. Very exciting na simula. Yung iba sa inyo, merong opportunities for work or a job sa ibang lugar. You may need to travel to these places. Maaring ito yung realization of what you really want, like yung passion na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Yan yung opportunities for you. Yung iba may opportunity na makapag-aral, i-pursue ang inyong mga talents, yung inyong passion, yung skills ninyo. Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing for Gemini? You have the Two of Swords. So the blessing here is you will be able to hit the target. Okay? Meron kang target ngayon, let's say target na income or target na yung parang goal mo, no? Yung goal mo na gusto mong ma-achieve. Maaring itong decision making mo na to na challenging sa'yo, mapipili mo yung best for you using your instinct, using your intuition. Okay, so you just know what's best for you. Let us clarify. What is the High Priestess? What is the High Priestess? The Five of Cups. Okay. So siguro in the past, meron kang mga bad decisions, no? May mga yung pwedeng hindi mo masyadong pinag-isipan, minadali mo. Kaya ngayon, you are very careful in your actions. Dahil marami ka ng lessons na natutunan in your past. And you finally realize na meron pang time, meron pang chance for you to do the things na gusto mong i-pursue. May pagkakataon ka pa. What is the Chariot? The Four of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, maaring isa sa challenging situation ninyo is yung procrastination. Yung ipinagpapaliban ang isang gawain or isang desisyon dahil hindi ka pa handa. Pwedeng hindi ka pa handa for a change. Kaya iniiwasan mo. Kaya lang, hindi mo to maiiwasan ng matagal. Okay? Dahil darating yung time na kailangan mo talagang mag-decide. Yung iba sa inyo, possible challenge din is look after your health, ng kalusugan ninyo. Yung iba, siguro ewan ko, sa collective to ha, maraming nakakaramdam ngayon ng pagod, pero wala namang ginagawa. 'Di ba? Alam mo yung parang, we don't feel like, parang yung kanta ni Bruno Mars, yung today I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to lay in my bed. O 'di ba? Gusto mo lang humiga, matulog. It's because of energetically Pluto is in retrograde right now in Aquarius. So yung mga plans mo, yung mga dreams mo, parang naisasantabi mo saglit dahil you don't feel like doing anything. Parang yung transformation, yung change, yung pagbabago is nadidelay. Oo. Dahil maybe because when we need to reassess your situation, ano yung dapat mong i-let go, ano yung dapat mong hayaan sa buhay mo na yung parang nagpapabigat ng kalooban mo. Kaya kailangan mo nang i-let go. Okay, so let's see what is the Ace of Wands as an opportunity? The Knight of Wands, ayan na. It's time to take action. You have the opportunity to make things work for you. Oo. I think may surprise for you this week na magiging dahilan para maging excited ka ulit. Merong major change or something na mai-inspire ka or mamomotivate ka. What is the Two of Swords? The Seven of Pentacles. Ito yung you're almost there, no? Malapit mo nang makuha yung goal mo na yan. Konting effort na lang. Yung resulta ng ineffortan mo ay magbabase sa kung ano yung trabaho na ginagawa mo to make that happen. So things are coming into fruition. Pagpatuloy mo lang, alagaan mo lang yung dapat mong alagaan. This can be your career, your business, your relationship. Let's see, money, career, finances. O diba? Speaking of alaga, nurture. Nurturing yourself, nurturing your career. Kasi sabi, diba, kapag inilagaan mo yung work mo, aalagaan ka rin ng trabaho mo. Mentor, merong person that is willing to help you, mag-share ng knowledge, ng skills sa'yo, na magmo-motivate sa'yo. Six of Swords, or you are finally going to make some changes or mag-take a step ka na, no? Oo. Taking a step forward. Moving forward. Knight of Swords. I think meron sa'yo talagang magmo-motivate. Can be sa career mo, sa business, sa iyong trabaho. And you will step out of your comfort zone. This week, may you have the opportunity to do that. Let's see your love life. May red flags. Clarity. Okay? So, I feel like you are malinaw na sa'yo. Nakikita mo na ngayon kung ano ang mga bagay na hindi mo gusto sa isang tao. Or parang you feel like hindi ito yung taong gusto kong makasama or makasalamuha. You have the Six of Wands and the Five of Wands. Oh! Okay, ang isa sa red flag sa inyo is kung meron kang karelasyon, connection, friendship, or even someone in the family na pakiramdam mo hindi supportive sa'yo at mas gusto pang kakompetensyahin ka, that can be a red flag. Or ito yung tipong naiinggit sa yung mga success, no? Because of your hard work. someone is not happy, no? Hindi masaya sa success na tinatamasa mo ngayon. This can be, pwede rin tong romantic partner. Na nangyayari yan, na even ang ating partner, asawa, jowa, ay jealous of our success, na pwedeng nagiging dahilan or pwedeng maging ugat ng issue or problema. 12th house, this is your spirituality and your dreams. So like what I mentioned kanina, maaring meron kang ninunurture or ine-explore pa sa iyong spirituality. North Node, destiny, you are moving towards your destiny. And I think this is about being more experimental. So parang may mga susubukan kang hindi mo pa na-try before. May mga babaguhin ka, or pwedeng na-try mo na before pero ibang approach naman this time. Parang you are experimenting, no, ngayon. Can be sa relationship din, ina-experiment mo ano yung kulang, ano yung dapat mo sanang ginawa, ano yung dapat na hindi mo ginawa. So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.